So the key thing is to have something you can pump into your face, okay? Like that. Or sometimes I use this from the Revolution. So anything you can spray on. Yep. And then that's it. So if you have a toner, just spray it, pump it, whichever way. Now, if for example you just came out of the bathroom, just be sure to leave some water on your face. That would serve as something for hydration. But if you want to use your toners, just spray it on, then follow up with your hyaluronic acid. I'm using the one from The Ordinary, so just, I've used the marine before, but I like this one. Okay, and my eye area, yeah, I use this on my eye area because it doesn't stink or burn. But I avoid my eye area if I'm using other products like the niacinamide or retinoid, or retinol. Any of them, I avoid my eye area. But for the HA, I don't mind. Okay, so that is that. And then I fill up with the last one, whether you're using an oil or a moisturizer. Now, when it comes to application, most people say apply from down up motion. I try to do this when I can, but sometimes I just slap it on and I'm gone like that. Okay, but I'm being conscious these days. It helps to lift the skin. Now I like to use the HA to keep my skin hydrated because I tend to have dehydrated skin, and that is also because I don't have a lot of time like I used to on my hands, so sometimes to do the routines becomes quite difficult. So those who've been complaining about the HA being sticky and tacky, this is how best to use it so your skin is soft and supple. So you notice the difference already in my skin, right, compared to the before. See the glow, looking so fresh, you know. All right, so I guess this video helps, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.